from Bob's Workshop. This is part 4 of a series where I'm building an alpine resort out of foam core to use high above my O-gauge layout. It's going really well so far, and my fingers are crossed that it stays that way. And I can tell you ahead of time that the stonework that you're about to see me add also went very smoothly. I used rigid pink foam insulation this time, and I cut a whole bunch of small little blocks. And then I used hot glue again, which is what I've been using for most of this project. I glued those pink blocks down, and it's looking pretty good. So I hope you like it too. So here is part 4 of the Alpine Resort. Let's call this the Stonework Edition. Thank you for watching.
Here's a rough idea of what I had in mind before I started building. I have an odd space to fill high above my O-gauge layout. I began with foam core, strips of wood cut from a 2x4, and some drywall compound. The shingles for the roof were cut from mat board and glued down individually, which took a very, very long time. But it's done now, and I'm very satisfied with the result. Today I'm going to show how I made the stonework for my Alpine Resort, and I'm starting with a sheet of rigid pink insulation. I debated about carving stones from one single piece of this, but instead decided to cut small thin blocks and glue each one individually to the black foam core. To give these little pieces some texture, I'll throw them into a jar, mix in some small rocks, and then shake it for a while to round over some of those nice crisp edges. It took me somewhere between 20 and 30 hours just to do the roof. These pieces are much smaller, so I was worried about how long this would take, But it went much quicker than I thought, and I had it finished in less than 5 hours. The Mod Podge was brushed over all of the new stonework. It will help keep all of the little rectangles of insulation locked into place. It was allowed to soak down into these spaces between each block, so it will also protect the foam in case I decide to use a spray can for the base coat, or I might just use my airbrush. Either way, in the next episode, I'll start painting. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.